boys and girls, happy Monday. We are going to do our math lesson today. So you are going to, it's Mrs. Hanson today. So you are going to go get your math book and a pencil. I'm going to use a blue marker today just so you can see it really well. You are going to get a pencil in your math book. So if you haven't done that already, go ahead and push pause and go get that. Remember, your math book has a blue cover on the front that says math. And it's not really a book. It's a packet with a staple at the top. So if you don't have it in front of you, go ahead and push pause and go get that. Okay, so you can see I marked mine with a Post-it note. We gave everyone Post-it notes in their school box with your pencils. And so you could always mark yours with a Post-it, or you could just turn it back so it's ready the next day, okay? So we did addition. You've been doing addition with Mrs. Wilson, and today we are actually going to start subtraction. So we're going to be taking away, okay? So today we are going to draw a blue box around the 9. Now you don't have to make yours blue if you don't want to, but mine is going to be blue. So you can use your pencil if you want. Okay, count back 3. So we're not going to count the 9, but we're going to count back 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Circle that number red. Well, I'm just going to circle it red. I'm going to circle it blue because I don't have red with me. And you can circle it with your pencil unless you want to use blue and red. Okay. So 9, and then we took away 3. 9 take away 3 equals 6. Now it says draw a green box around the number 19. Well, remember, I'm just going to use blue for everything and you can use your pencil. 19, we are going to count back 2, 1, 2, and draw a circle. 19 take away 1, 2 is 17. Draw a purple box around the 14. Okay, still using blue. Count back 1. We just go 1 and we circle it. And we have the number 13. 14 take away 1 is 13. Just like counting on, we can do this with any number, but it works best when we're taking away numbers that are less than 5. Okay, so when we're taking away 1, 2, 3, or 4, then that's the best time to use counting back. Okay, and it does make it easier if the numbers are in front of you. But even if I did 9 take away 2, I can always do 9, 8, 7, and count back. And the reason it's the best for just the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 is because it's easy to count back those numbers. Sometimes when we get into higher numbers, it makes it a little bit harder to count back. Okay? All right, so now we're going to take that page and we're going to flip it back. Okay? So it says, find 10 take away 3, use a number line, count back to subtract. Okay, so they started at 10, and they're using a number line now. So they're counting back 1, 2, 3. 10 take away 3 equals 7. Okay, because they counted back. We're going backwards, okay? So now we're going to do 1 through 6 together. Okay, 7 take away 3. So I start with 7, I circle it, and I'm going to count back 3. So I count back 1, 2, 3. 7 take away 3 is 4. Okay, now this one I'm going to start with 8. I circle it, I'm taking away 1. 8 take away 1 is 7. Now I want you to try it with 9 take away 2. Start with the 9, circle it, jump back 2. What did you get? Let's try it. 9, 1, 2. 9 take away 2 is 7. Okay, now I want you to do 10 take away 2. Start at the 10, circle it, jump back 2, write what you got. Okay, I start with the 10. I jump back 2. 10 take away 2 is 8. Okay. Now 8 take away 2. Start with the 8. And you might want to go under now since we have already done all our jumps on the top. Start with the 8. Take away 2. How many is it? Everyone say it out loud. Oh, good job. Yes, 8 take away 2 is 6. Now this one looks a little bit different. The blank is here, but it doesn't really matter. It's still 7 take away 1. So start at the 7. Take away 1. And we have 6. It says here, explain how you count back on a number line to subtract. Okay, so how do you do that? Think about that a little bit. You start with the number, the big number. You draw your jumps back, and you get your answer. That's how you count back. One thing I forgot to tell you up here. So it says the answer is the difference. Okay, so we know when we add, that when we add two numbers, the answer is called the sum. In subtraction, the answer is called the difference, because that's what subtraction is. It's the difference between two numbers. So the answer is called difference. All right, boys and girls. So your homework today is to do page 51 and page 52. Okay. You don't have to do the right math today, so you can cross that off. I don't know if you can see that, but I crossed it off. And the homework is just if you choose to do some extra work. So you're just going to start at number 7. You can use the number line, and you can either actually write it, or you can just do it with your finger, whatever you choose. And then do the 3 word problems on the back. When we do the word problems on the back, I'm going to do the first one with you. Tanya has 12 books. She gives 3 books away. How many books does she have now? So I want you to think about it. She has those 12 books, and 3 of them are going away. She gives them to her little sister, okay? How many does she have left? As you can see, she has some, and she gets rid of some, so she's taking away. When you do word problems, I want you to make sure you're writing the sentence, the number sentence. 12 take away 3 equals, okay? And if we did this, we could start with 12 and count backwards. 12, 11, 10, 9. 12 take away 3 is 9. Okay, if you need a number line, you could always go to the previous page and use that number line, or there's probably a number line here on this homework page. Okay, remember these homework pages are just extra if you want to do them. Remember, you're going to take a picture of page 51 and 52 on your seesaw. Now, if it were me, I would now take my Post-it. I would put it here, because tomorrow we're going to actually do some more practice on counting back. Some more practice, not from the math book. So we're going to be doing some more practice. But then next time we get our math books out, we're going to be doing this page. So you can have a Post-it, or if you want, you could just leave it like this so it's ready. All right, boys and girls, have a good day. Have fun with math.